So React.js is a JavaScript based library. React.js is JavaScript library, and React is open source. One more point: React developed by Facebook, and React is component library. And one more point: React follows JSX syntax, and React works with ES6 features. And one more point, yeah, this is the major concepts in React. JS is a JS library. React.js is open source and React developed by Facebook, and React is component library, follows JSX, works with ES6 features. Okay, so there are two ways to create a project. One is a CDN pipeline and CDN process, and one more is a NPM process. CDN means content delivery network. And CDN is cloud. And one more point, CDN works with internet. If you don't have internet, CDN files will not work. And coming to the NPM is Node Package Manager. And if you want to create the React project with NPM, first of all, go to the command line and go with the commands. A lot of commands we need to write for this. And before that, we need to install Node.js in our machine. Node.js installation is very important. First of all, we need to work with the Node.js, install it. So working with the Node.js is very simple. Just go to the nodejs.org and go to the recommended downloads. You can download the recommended version from this. And after that, you have to install the Node.js through the command line. How to install it, I will show. So open your command line. In my Mac system, that should be terminal. Open terminal or command line, whatever it may be. So from this terminal, what you have to do is, one second. Okay, so here what we want to do is, first of all, check with the node version. What is the version we installed for the node? And check with the NPM version. What is the NPM version we have already downloaded? Okay, so NPM is this, node is this. And after that, create a folder on top of desktop. Wherever you want, it is okay, but I'm going with the desktop. CD desktop. I'm going to desktop and I'm creating a directory, mkdir, and directory name is something like Srinivas underscore React. Okay, so Srinivas underscore React is my folder name, and cd space Srinivas underscore React. Okay, fine. Now in the folder, I am in the folder Srinivas underscore React. Can you see and observe where I am now? I am in the folder Srinivas React. So please make sure that you are in the folder or not. If you are in the folder, then only you can follow the things. And immediately what I want to do is, I need to create a project. So npx create space React, npx create hyphen React hyphen app. And this latest you can take latest, and that's it. And give the name of the project. What is the project name you want to take? And we can just give the project name. And the project name should be in the small letters. Don't give the capital letters. Hello React is my project name. Okay, so once I did this, and your project is going to be getting downloaded in your machine. Okay, it will take a few minutes for you to download the complete project in your machine. So you have to be wait for a few minutes to download the complete level of the project. Then only you can move to the next level. So yeah, so project is getting downloading, and packages and dependencies, all these things are getting downloaded for you. And this is the latest version you can able to download. But make sure that you will be having a good internet connection to download the project. Yes, project downloaded. Now immediately I need to work with a cd hello underscore react. cd underscore react. No, cd hello underscore react. That is my project name. And after that, I need to go with the npm start. npm start. npm start is a command. You can start with the command. When we start with the npm start, automatically your project is going to be getting start with the browser. Yeah. So some localhost 3000, localhost 3000, what we got created with, and this is our browser, and this browser is going to be executing our React project. This is the React project. So immediately, I don't want to show this logo. I don't want to show this heading. I don't want to show this hyperlink, all these things. Then what you want to do is you can open the Visual Studio Code and go to the open file and load your project. Your project already available in Srinivas React folder. Yeah, where is the folder? I will go to the folder. And yeah, this is the folder Srinivas React, and go to the file, this folder, hello React, and open it. And immediately what I want to do is I'll go to the node module, so don't disturb, don't delete anything. And inside the public, there is an index.html file available. And here you'll be having div root. Root is the entry point of the React. When you want to execute something into the browser, HTML should go. That HTML is going to be index.html. And coming to the SRC, in SRC, there are multiple files. For example, you'll be having index.js. And in index.js, one component is loading. That component is basically app component. That component is basically app component. Okay, just keep app component over there. Just keep app component over there. Okay, so let me move. Let me move. And this is also, I'm moving to here. Now, yep, document.get elements by id root, that is root available. And app, let me go to the app now. So coming to the app, this is the functional component which is going to be available. And inside the return, I have a lot of files for the header. You can delete all these things. And you can just write hello React. Hello React. That's it. I'm just writing something, hello React. And obviously your browser getting changed. Your browser getting changed. The things, hello server is running. Server is running already, and you got hello React already. There is no logo, there is no link, there is no something. Whatever previous things which are going to be visualized, those things are not available right now. Okay. Now you need to understand how this project is going to be getting executing and working with. And one is a public, one is SRC, and how the things are working, I will show now. I'll show now. Suppose this app.js, is triggering into the index.js. App.js triggering into the index.js. And in index.js, one more file is triggering, that is root id from index.html. See, index.js is the main intention where which is going to be communicating your root element, and which is going to be communicating with the app component. Sorry, this is a capital app component. So this is the app component. This is the app component, and this is the root and id. This one is the id root. id coming from HTML, and app is a component. See what is going to be happening. For example, this is your root. This is your root. This is the root ID. And this is coming from index.html. This is coming from index.html. So first of all, you have to remember one thing, root ID coming from index.html. Index.html. On top of the index.html, one component is going to be placing. One component is going to be placing, that is called app component. One component is going to be placing, that is called app component. You can try to understand app component, but this app component is a JSX functional component. That app component is going to be JSX functional component. And who is the file merging this root ID and app.js? That file is going to be the loop or mediator or glue point is going to be index.js. Index.js is the mediator between this index.html and app.index.js file. Index.js file is the mediator between the app and the root ID. So what it is going to be happening with index.js? In index.js, there is a function called ReactDom.render. ReactDom.render. In this function, what is going to be working with? This is function basically, JavaScript function. This is the entry point of the React application. In this function, there are two concepts, what I need to load, and where I need to load. There are two things which are going to be working. What I need to load, where I need to load. So what I need to load app.js. Where I need to load on top of the index.html. This function is very, very important function. You have to remember. ReactDom.render function is very, very important function, which is going to be useful to migrating your app and index.html. That is a very important functionality of the React application. Okay, so one sec.